Well, a very good morning from Johannesburg from me, Tamin Kadiming. I will be helping steer the conversation today. So we'll be speaking about the top 5 use cases and architectures for Apache Kafka and Data in Motion dashboard webinar.
Now, it's interesting because I have spoken to north of 100 different customers in different sectors in my time at Confluent. And they all say the exact same thing, all the same pressures that they're having. Their customer base's expectations are going up exponentially. They're all looking to real-time streams in order to create that relationship, to create that retention of customers, that engagement with customers. And that creates with it a bit of a dilemma. A lot of data is going to be going back and forth between you and your customer base. So this is one of the reasons that all of these companies are now looking towards this new product called Apache Kafka and us, Confluent, and how we help them. So let's say, for example, you're a bank. You're turning around and saying, hey, look, we want to launch an application. We want to send it to all our customers. And we want to have a real-time feed of everything they're doing. Maybe we want to categorize all of their transactions. Maybe we want to make loan applications quicker. Maybe you want to give them proactive advice on how they can downplay their mortgages or additional insurance products so that they, if they get into any kind of strife, they're going to be okay. You go into your IT teams, you say, guys, we've got this great new use case. It's going to be really valuable for our customers. And the IT guy folds his arms like this and says, no, we're not going to do that. And if we're going to do it, it's going to take 6 months. Because they have a smorgasbord of databases and applications and SaaS things. And instead of things going faster, they actually slow down because maintaining these systems, upgrading these systems, keeping them online, it's an exhausting job. So how do we cope with this? We've got a customer expectation on our hands that we need to meet. We've got an IT department that's really struggling and we need to make progress. Introduction, Apache Kafka. Now what Kafka does, which I find absolutely incredible, is it's not another data source. It's not another database. This is a thing we've kind of been trying to work away from. We've got relational databases. We've got NoSQL databases. We've got key store databases. We don't need any more data stores. What we need is we need a feed of real-time information because this information is only really valuable at the time we receive it and we want to distribute it out to as many people as possible. That's exactly what Apache Kafka brings to the table. All networking is private. So on the AWS side, you've got a couple of options of how you connect into it. So things like Private Link or Transit Gateway are very popular. And that basically stops anyone from the outside world being able to even access your instance of Kafka. Other than that, everything that we talk to is encrypted. So everything on the line is encrypted and everything that is sat on disk is also encrypted. Now, how that data is encrypted on disk is entirely up to you. You can have your own key store sitting in AWS, which we can integrate to, which basically means you hold the keys to all your data, which is fantastic. Because if at any point you go, you know what, I don't want to have anyone allow access to that data, you don't need to delete the data yourself. You just need to delete the key to it. And because of the encryption algorithms that we use and the industry standard that they are, I think to brute force the unencryption of it would take north of 1 billion years. So I'm feeling pretty good about that.
Thank you so much, Dan. Thanks for teaching me something. So thank you so much for a great conversation. A goodbye to you, Dan, and a goodbye to everybody. Thank you so much.
Lovely. Thanks to everyone. Take care.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.